Welcome to today's episode.
I moved to a new house. I moved to a new house.
The house looks nice. The house looks nice. It is big. It is big. The walls are white. The walls are white. The windows are big. The windows are big. I walk inside. I walk inside. The house is empty. The house is empty. There is no furniture. There is no furniture. I walk to the living room. I walk to the living room. The living room is big. The living room is big. The kitchen is small. The kitchen is small. I like the kitchen. I like the kitchen. The bedroom is big. The bedroom is big. There is a window. There is a window. I can see the garden. I can see the garden. The bathroom is nice. The bathroom is nice. There is a mirror. There is a mirror. The garden is big. The garden is big. There is grass. There is grass. There are flowers. There are flowers. I put my books on the shelf. I put my books on the shelf. I put pictures on the wall. I put pictures on the wall. The living room looks nice. The living room looks nice. The kitchen looks nice too. The kitchen looks nice too. I put plates in the cabinet. I put plates in the cabinet. I put a plant on the table. I put a plant on the table. I sit in the living